This video will make something like this. We use SketchUp to make a new file based on millimeter. And in the model info, we make sure the units is millimeter, and to precision is 0.00. Is okay. Then we press T for the tape tool and drag from the red axis along the green axis and input 50, enter. And then we drag from the green along the red, 50, enter. And from green to the negative of red axis, 50. And then from this guideline along the green, make it 25. Okay, we use R for rectangle. Draw this. Then we press P for pull and push. Lift up for 100, enter. And press F for offset, 25, enter. P for push to the back border. Okay, press space and use the middle button of mouse to rotate the camera. And then we select this, right click, make component 1, create. And then we press Q for rotate. And make sure it's blue side, or blue color, and move it to the origin point. Click and rotate. And then on any point on this object, click and move mouse to rotate and hit the control button on keyboard to make it 90 degree. Click and X3, enter. Space, select the more and use this solid tool to join them together. Okay, M for move it to the origin point. And now we edit, delete guys. Then Q for rotate, green, click here, and the diagonal of the border square, make it to this green axis. And then space, double click, L for line, move. Okay, Q for rotate, and in this angle, make sure it's red. Hold the Shift key from this point and to the middle point, and rotate until this line coincides the green axis. Okay, space, double click, and in this we select from right to left, delete, right to left, delete, right to left, delete. Okay, then we delete this line this line and this line. Okay, we click from the outside and we view from the top. Select this component, M for move, click, control, and move it to this. We change the camera to parallel projection. Now we move here, control to here. Okay. And now we rotate, use L. Along the blue axis and make it equal to the height, make it equal to the height of this. Okay, then we M for moving and control, make a copy in this, and then M, make it here, and make it here, and then we select this, hold Shift key, this. We select these and we use move to move it to the border of it. Okay, and then we move this one to the top of this guideline. Okay, we select all these, move, control to this. Control. To this. Move. Okay, then we file export 3D model. Give it a name. Okay, then in artcam we create a new model, make the size to 600 to 600. Okay. Relief import 3D model. Choose this one. Center, paste. Okay. Top view and we open the relief library. We rename this layer to this and we move it to the library. So we found it here. So now we back to SketchUp. We use L for line and we draw lines in this way. We get this rectangle. select from right to left and hide. We get the size of this rectangle. And we don't save the original one. And then we open the relief library again. We draw a rectangle first to make it the same size of the workplace. And right click to get it down. Okay, now we drag this into workplace and something like this. We zoom in. Make sure this point to this point. Okay, zoom out and check other 4 points. Seems okay. Then we press paste. Okay, then we got the relief we want. Now we name it frame matrix 1 and we drag it into the library. So we got this. Okay, now we can create any size of model as we want. Okay, and we don't save that. We drag this into the workplace. Left bottom corner 0, 0. Apply. Block copy. Gap 0. And this we make it 5 columns and 16 rows. Apply. Paste. Okay, then we get this. And we can change the relief height to whatever we want. Apply. Okay, now we can delete this one and keep only this one is okay. Okay, thank you for watching.